Alright, what's going on, guys? Fishing Habit coming to y'all again. Today I get to fish a private pond. This pond, I remember seeing this pond maybe about 6-7 years ago. I used to work for a little furniture company, and I actually delivered to one of the houses over here by the pond. And I asked one of the guys that I delivered to, can I fish it? And he flat out told me no. But I understand that. So later on down the road, meet a guy, Kobe. I've been knowing him, maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. He got full permission to fish the pond. Said I can come over here with him. What they do that for? Dog, I had a blast today. It's hot as shit right now. Excuse me, hot as crap. I'm trying to stop cussing. But anyways, shouts out to Kobe. 334 Bassin. If y'all don't know him, follow him on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. 334 Bassin. Hit him up. But don't try to come out here to the private pond. Peace.